It is what it is. You see it. A storm is brewing. Wow. Welcome to Scootopia, Scootopians. I'm Old Man Dan, the founder and 4-star executive commander of West Coast Scooters. Boy, do we got a good one here. I'm telling you, this Dualtron storm is no joke. No joke. Yesterday we had the unboxing. I unboxed this beast without really understanding or knowing what we were going to be in for today. And I'm telling you, this thing has power. It's fast. It's really fast. And even when I accelerated at lights, it wanted to jump a wheelie. Balanced enough where you could probably hold it up there too. Keep your throttle. You know, so I used to do that stuff. It kind of excited me that it kind of tried to jump. I'm not into wheelies now, so nobody will talk me into doing any wheelies today or any day. But this thing is a beast. The suspension is probably my only drawback. It's a little rigid, a little stiff for me. You know, Dualtron, they came out with this one with the, actually they did it on the Thunder, the last Thunder they had the actual cartridges. So this cartridge right here is a little stiff for me. So it's probably, you know, made for a lighter person or so. So I definitely need to change that cartridge so I can get more of a cushion, more of a cushion ride. You know, when I'm hitting bumps on this, my weight, I'm 220 pounds, 6 feet 1 inch, and I could feel some of the harder bumps that I was out testing this out on. Just on the regular, you know, shape of the road, it was nice and comfortable. But when I hit a pothole, or you know, the itty bitty man covers that have those little divots in them, I could feel that. All right, so that's something though that could be changed, because that's what the cartridges are for, to adjust it to your weight. So that won't knock any O's off of this ovation. Speed wise, beautiful. The performance, the handling, the stem lock was a concern for some people, and I want to address that concern. Taking this on the road and actually doing 58 miles an hour, this stem lock held up. I got zero wobble, very, very stable. It locked in. I believe that having that one piece assembly really made a difference. That stem lock in conjunction with your bars, the way that they have the bars, you know, the locking mechanism on them. You know, when you undo this, you pull that in and they drop. But these things on my Dualtron X, I have to drop them every now and then and adjust the screw. Here you don't have to do that. These handlebars literally complement the new stem lock, so to help give you an even more stable ride. The grips, like I said yesterday on the unboxing, these grips are amazing. I have big hands, so my hands really fit well on these kind of thick, rubbery, grippy grips. They're actually grippy. What else we got going on here? I got a visitor. He didn't want to fly, so now he's gonna die down in the Velcro. This here is where our controllers are. 2 controllers. And the arms, oh my God, these arms really, you know what, I have to say that the bars, the stem lock, the arms, and the way that they connected them to the motor, all of that has a play in how stable this ride is. They a good job on this build. Great job. What else we got going on here? That's it. I talked about the adjustable kickstand when we were doing the unboxing. Oh, on these brakes, my God. We have the nut brake system. It's not the Zoom. I love nut better than I love the Zoom But of course, I love Magura better than both of those. This brake system, this 160 millimeter rotor is thicker than the previous rotor, and as a result, it literally makes a difference in your braking. And you'll get a chance to see when I do the speed test on the braking. I'm going to do a hard brake test at 15 miles an hour and see just how much distance we can get on 15 miles an hour. I'm actually going to adjust and shift my weight back even more than I normally do so that we can get a true stop. I think that's about it. So you ready to see that brake test? So the deck, it's got a nice width on the deck. The length is, I don't have my tape measure available, but the length is comfortable. I got that 14-inch foot, man. 14-inch shoe. So, but I rest my foot right here, right before the handle for the battery. As a matter of fact, this is the removable battery. This part right here is the removable battery. This whole thing. It also has a voltage display that shows you what your voltage is. So while you're riding, you got a real good view of your voltage down there. I'm at 77.5. We started off at 81. Was it 81.3? I think. Yeah, I think it was 81.3. And so, so the battery is removable, and you got the connectors, or the charge connectors, on top of the battery deck. All right, and it comes with a lock, comes with keys, so you can actually take the whole battery out and take it with you, if you want. So right now we're going to do a brake test, and 15 mile an hour brake test, a dead stop, see how it does. I need to do that again. Trying to get my speed up. Good. From there to here. Still shorter. Let me check that out. From here to here. Consider. So, at 15 miles an hour, Dualtron Storm, pressing both brakes, shifting my weight back, we got 5 feet 6.5 inches. 5 feet 6.5 inches. That's the braking distance on a dead stop on asphalt. 220 pounds. That's me. I'm 220 pounds. All right. Not bad. Not bad. 5.5 feet. I like it. Okay, so let's move on, and we'll take her on the road again, and I'll try and get a little bit of footage on the road, and then we'll call it a day.